Is post-period bleeding normal?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about an important women's health topic, post-period bleeding. It's essential to understand our bodies and our menstrual cycles, as it can say a lot about our overall health. So, is post-period bleeding normal? Let's dive into this.
What is post-period bleeding?
Post-period bleeding, also known as spotting, is any bleeding that occurs after your period has ended. It's usually lighter in color and less in volume than menstrual bleeding. Post-period bleeding may be surprising or even concerning, but it's not always a cause for alarm.
When is post-period bleeding normal?
There are times when post-period bleeding can be perfectly normal. For instance, it could just be residual menstrual blood being expelled late. Some women also experience light bleeding or spotting mid-cycle, around the time of ovulation. Moreover, hormonal contraceptives, such as birth control pills, IUDs, or injections, can sometimes cause irregular bleeding, including post-period spotting. However, it's essential to know your body and be aware of any changes in your menstrual cycle.
When should you be concerned?
Post-period bleeding can sometimes be a sign of an underlying health issue. Persistent and recurrent spotting can be due to conditions like uterine polyps, fibroids, hormonal imbalances, or even, in rare cases, more serious conditions like endometrial or cervical cancer. Furthermore, if you're experiencing heavy bleeding, severe pain, or other unusual symptoms, it's important to reach out to your healthcare provider as soon as possible.
What should you do if you notice post-period bleeding?
If you notice consistent post-period bleeding, the best thing to do is to seek medical attention. Your healthcare provider can help you determine if it's normal for you or if it's a symptom of a more serious condition. Keep a detailed record of your menstrual cycle and any irregularities to help your healthcare provider in their diagnosis. Understanding our bodies and menstrual cycles is an essential part of women's health. While some post-period bleeding can be normal, consistent or heavy bleeding can indicate an underlying issue. Always remember that if you're ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider. We hope this video has helped shed some light on post-period bleeding. Stay healthy and informed.